Tapos sabi ng ate ko, let's go na daw.
Kanina mo siya ninakaw?
Kanina ako, let's go na daw. Nagagalit na siya. Babalik pa kami dito bukas.
Bakit?
Kasi bukas na daw kami tatawagin. Okay na rin mami.
I kind of wouldn't recommend this cafe because at first, hindi mo malalasahan talaga yung cheesecake sa drink ng mom ko. It tastes like candy. Yung kay ate, last naman siyang bulaklak. And my coffee was kind of good, but it's just too strong for me.
Strong. Strong yung coffee nila guys.
I-shake ko din sa look at my glasses.
Yes, it's fogging. Hey ma'am, ano pong papagawan? Ay!
Init guys.
Guys, so ngayon nandito kami sa SNR. And tumitingin kami ng bulong.
Okay, drive na po. Okay. Tapos, yay! Ang galing! Tama ka, galing. This is our food, guys. I remember, parang katulad siya nung nung pinuntahan namin ng bata ko nung nag-Baguio kami. Para siyang mga web-web. Sama siya sa parang Uy, ano to? Guys, so we're gonna try this yung bago yung ng Starbucks and we're taking confetti ube cream frappuccino. May cheat code. Lasang ube. Parang hindi ako natuwa din sa drink ko. Sabi ko yan. Hindi ako natuwa sa akin. Bilang yung akin. Lasang ube. Kasi naging anghel tapos sinabi, sige, order ka na ng bago. So, order ako ng bago. So, beer matcha latte with aloe mocha and then some like tastes sahan yung masarap siya guys. Pagka umami flavor. Ha? Umami flavor.
Hey guys, come with me sa first day ng school namin as a college student. So basically guys, ang nangyari lang here is orientation. Then after that, pumunta lang kami sa canteen. As you can see guys, sobrang awkward ko pa mag-vlog kasi kasama ko here yung schoolmate ko before, which is hindi ko talaga ka-close. And it was really unexpected na bibigyan niya ako ng Yakult just because maanghang yung samyang. I really appreciate her for that. Pero lakas din that day, hindi rin natuloy yung orientation namin per program.
First day of class suspended!
Guys, so we're here at the Landis. Kakatapos lang namin mag-grocery sa Landis.
Busog na kami guys. So many food pa. Hi guys! So ngayon ang photographer at videographer ko po is Uy! Let's go! Tawid! Sobrang inat guys. As in like 13 yung araw. Dad buying flowers for my mom. Where's mom? Saan niya yung binili? Nahanap na
here inside of the Tsuboshi Mall. Muna kami para mag-intay sa check-in namin later.
My friends, hi mom!
Guys, super cute. Ang liit. Super mini. So ngayon nasa loob na kami. And it's currently 2:22 in the afternoon. And magpapahinga lang muna kami. Then after that, magkakalaga kami later. So yeah. Guys, so ngayon namabas kami for dinner. And yeah, oh my god. Thank you. This is our chips, guys. Look how big it is. We're buying drinks, guys. Very last minute na. Kasi magsasara na ng mall. As in, like, maglasagay na sila ng mga cover. Kasi 10 PM na, guys. Kaya nagmamadali kami. Malalaman daw sa pick-up coffee sila. Si Date. Hindi ko pa siya ubus, guys. Pero feeling ko nagpapalpitate na ako. Happy girly, guys. Natamad pa ako mag-take ng quiz. I need to take quiz na kasi nga, anong oras na? Tomorrow, like 11:45. Tapos na siya. And I don't have time for tomorrow. Kailangan ko na siyang i-take right here, right now.
While people around the world continue to
Hey guys, so it's the next day. So ngayon we just decided to swim before kami pumunta sa Vikings.
Pagit din.
I made my own salad, guys. After that, we decided to play a game na kailangan SO yung first tunog ng isang breath. And then you have to answer it for 5 seconds. And if hindi, tanggal ka na.
Soler.
700? 700? 700 yun!
Song, gali. Meron na. Wala pa yung song. Sino na? Ikaw.
Sabi ko na.
Nasabi na. Three.
Soy beef.
1. Sondo.
Sama nito guys, so 500 sa akin. Tapos kalahati per 100. Pinaghatian na namin yung 1-2 kasi kanina pa kami dito nagbabatuhan ng friends.
Hey guys, wala pa kami class for today. It's currently 6:53. Wala pa si Jen, hihintay pa namin siya. Umagang kay itlog naman tayo today. Guys, we're here sa SAL building. Wala pa ang fantasy niya. Sabi ko sa inyo, ang ganda ng... Makikita talaga yung ganda ng eyes ko pag wala akong salamin. Wala na, ang ganda ko na. Ganda ko na forever. Guys. Say hi. It's our freshman week. Layang our tote bags, guys. Yay, freshly ready. Super init, right? Right, yes. Alam mo na, may ganun. Sige. Super daming tao.
kay Dwayne ng table. Ang liit. Na guys, kami ng booth guys. Ang this our booth. Hi. Reyna, nag-wait pa kami ng preparation. Yes! First night as JN.
Junior Nightingale.
Gabi na umuwi.
For everyone's convenience, please.
And welcome the freshmen to the LPU Pirates. Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me.
Guys, so sa McDo, we're dinner because we're very hungry and like, yes. Cabrini Imida. Morning guys, so we're here sa Cabrini for the first time.
May chemical
What?
tapon.
Ah,
Hindi, sa bio kayo.
ano?
Chemical properties.
Eh, bala kayo dyan, di ko alam. Ah! Physical and chemical properties. Ang creepy nito, guys! So extra! Look! Samantalang yung akin printed. Creepy, guys, so.
Ang bigat sa dibdib. Ganun yung nararamdaman ko.
Ang creepy talaga ng CR! Para sa hahanap-hanapin talaga ng tita na lang ako. This ice cream from Matcha Tokyo. Lasang-lasa yung matcha guys. Para sa may pagka-umami flavor. Sarap creamy niya guys. 70 pesos lang siya. Sobrang mura. Tasteless. Ang sarap ng banana pudding. Got my pasta guys.
Ng announcement guys, kung may pasok ba kami or wala.
Like, paano kung wala talaga kami pa? So, this is the Caesar salad. Let's taste it.
tayo humingi ng water pa?
Here's my water. Can you take mine? So good. Ang sarap nga. Lasang-lasa mo yung truffle.
Yan na lang.
Hindi ako kasha! Yan na! Hindi ko kita! We're finally done, guys! We got our photos, guys! Yay! So, hi guys! So, ngayon, na-try namin yung mic ni Ate Shane. ASMR! Nalawain ako! Uy! ASMR nga! ASMR! Nalawain ni Choco! Kakain na tayo mamaya. The food, guys! Dito kami ngayon sa Kapehan ni Gunyong because masyado pa kasi daw maaga if punta agad kami sa staycation. We're here at Kapehan ni Gunyong. Sa Pasapa, we're here at Kapihan ni ganyan. Energy. We're here at Kapihan ni ganyan. Ito. Very helpful. Very helpful. Oh my God. Nawala. Magnetic lang yan. Oh. Very, professional. Nagsasagot sila ng survey, guys. So we're helping someone. Yeah, nagsasagot sila ng survey. Choco! Choco! Saan si Choco? So, finally, nandito na kami ngayon sa pinag-staycation na namin. Finally, after many years later, like, we really have privacy. There's some private na pool, and we also have here Wi-Fi. Like, oh my gosh, magaganda na kami later. Ang dami kong nakikitang greens dito. Like, sabi ko, oh my gosh, sobrang nakakaano ng peacefulness. Like, sabi ko, oh my gosh, this is it. This is what I pictured. This is what connecting with nature feels like. So I go, oh my gosh, thank you, Lord, for my life, for my... Oh my gosh. Ano bang pinagsasabi ko sa buhay ko? Wala nonsense no. Alam pa tayo, inanonood. Bakit ba kayo nanonood? Hindi naman, naka-slide na lang siya. Kaya diretso na kasi. Magwait tayo, ma. Tawag tayo.
Tapos, si carbohydrates is made up of monosaccharides.
Morning, guys. Happy birthday! Ang cute nung enoki nila, guys. Ang liit.